Hello my dear friends, welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Friends, from this video onwards we are going to start to learn the lesson number 8 of standard 7 of Maharashtra State Board. Name of the lesson is algebraic expressions and operations on them. Algebraic expressions are always made up of terms. So in this video we will see what is meant by terms and what are the type of algebraic expressions. Friends, in the lesson indices, we learn that if a number is written in the index form as 7 raised to 8, we call this 7 as base and this 8 as index. Right? In algebraic expressions, only this 7 will be joined with one variable, means 7 into x raised to 8. This total thing is called as term. This total thing is called as term. I hope you are aware of the thing that 7x means 7 multiplied by x. Right? So 7 into x raised to 8 means 7 multiplied by x raised to 8. Clear? Now in this term, there are three elements. One number is there at the base, one alphabet is there at the base, and one number is there at the index. All these three terms have three different names. This number 7 is called as coefficient. This x, we learn in equations, this x is called as variable. This x is called as variable and this 8 is called as index. Clear? So 7x raised to 8 is one term. Among this term, this 7 is called as coefficient, x is called as variable and 8 is called as index. Understood what is meant by term? Now we will see type of terms. They are like terms and unlike terms. What is meant by like term and what is meant by unlike terms? Like terms are the terms with same variable and same indices. Like terms. Same variables and same indices. Means what? Let us see. If I write one term 8x raised to 5 and another term 9x raised to 5. In first term, what is the variable? X. In second term, what is the variable? X. So are variables same? Yes. In first term, what is the index? 5. In second term, what is the index? 5. So in both terms, are indices same? Yes. So in both of these terms, 8x raised to 5 and 9x raised to 5, variables and indices are same. So these two terms are like term. Clear? Let us see one more example. Suppose 12x raised x square y 35x square y minus 35x square y. Again in these two examples, what are the variables of first term? They are x square y and second term x square y. Are the variables and indices same? See, variable is x here, x here. Two variables are same. Is there index? Are there indices same? Here is index 2, here is index 2. So indices are also same. What is the next variable? Next variable is y. Here also next variable is y. Means all variables and indices are same in these both terms. So these both terms are called as like terms. Clear? Let us see one more example. Suppose 7x raised to 3 minus 5x square. 7x cube minus 5x square. In this two terms. What is the variable in first term? X. What is the variable in second term? X. Are variables same? Yes. We require same variables. What is the index in first term? 3. What is the index in second term? 2. Are indices same? No. So are they like terms? No, because to meet the condition of like terms, same variables and same indices are required. So this is not a like term. Clear? Let us see one more example. Suppose 9y raised to 5, 14y x raised to 5. In these two terms, what is the variable in first term? Y. What is the variable next term? X. Are these two variables same? No. We require same variables. So these are not like terms. Though their indices are same, here index is 5, here index is 5. Though indices are same, variables are not same. So these two terms are also not like. Clear? Let us see one more example. Minus 8x minus 8y. In these two terms, x and y are variables same? Variables are not same. So directly we can say these two terms are not like terms. Few students may get confused. They will say, sir, they here minus 8 is same. But what is this minus 8 according to this definition? This minus 8 is nothing but coefficient. And in the definition of like terms, have we talked anything about coefficient? No. We don't have any business with coefficient. We just have to check variables and indices. Are they same or not? Coefficient may be same or may be different. It doesn't matter. So here variables are different. Their coefficient is same, degree is same, but variables are different. So these two terms are also not like terms. Clear, friends? This thing is very useful while doing addition, subtraction of terms, that we will see later on. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. I hope you have understood concept explained in this video. You might have learned something new through this video. Friends, if you have liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So every time I will upload a new video, you will get the notifications about it and you will not miss any of the concept of this simple subject. Thank you very much.